So let's dive into this one. The creator of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. I know he's been on CNBC a lot. I hope I'm getting it right here. Vitalik has raised concerns about the possible dangers posed by companies that hold Ethereum in their balance sheets. Buterin warned that over-leveraging prices of companies holding Ethereum could potentially trigger a collapse of the cryptocurrency. Boy, this is not what we wanted to hear. During a recent interview, he said, quote, "If you woke me up 3 years from now and told me that treasuries led to the downfall of Ethereum, then of course my guess for why would be basically that somehow they turned into an over-leveraged game. And then at some point, a 30% drop turned into forced liquidations that turned into a 50% drop, and then a 70 and a 90% drop. And that got compounded with a loss of credibility." So basically what he's saying here is that too many companies are going to do this, put too much leverage on the balance sheet, Ethereum is going to have a pullback. That's going to cause people to run for the exits. And that waterfall effect, or that self-licking ice cream cone effect, again, is going to cause more and more people to run for the exits, which is going to cause Ethereum to sell off, which is going to cause the over-leveraged companies to be in an even worse position. And this is just the spiral of doom all the way to the bottom. I personally hope that this doesn't happen. I will say that I am still a little on the fence about some of these companies that do the Bitcoin and Ethereum and altcoin treasury strategies. I actually want to see some more positive outcomes from this, rather than just a pop on some PR and a big 100% move followed by a 70% retracement of that initial move. I don't know how good that is for anybody. So I want to see something come from this. This warning, definitely not what we want to hear. And I would imagine all of you folks that are bullish on not only Bitcoin, but Ethereum and other coins probably feel the same way. Despite his cautionary note, Buterin also underscored the advantages of companies maintaining an Ethereum treasury. He pointed out the social value of coordinating around Ethereum as an asset that companies can include in their treasury. Quote, "The social aspect of coordinating around Ethereum, just being an asset that companies can have as part of their treasury, is good and valuable. Having different vehicles for people to have access to Ethereum, which is, I think, one of the reasons why people are buying into treasury companies instead of just hodling Ethereum directly, is also good." But okay, keep me posted here on what you folks think with some of these treasury strategies and ultimately what's going to end up happening here.